Bulabinaka, my name is Naveen. My favorite player for this Fiji Water Flying Fijians is Wise Neadelevu, number one. My favorite. I'm from Taveuni, but there's a lot of Taveuni players there, but Wise, number one. Rugby is like ingrained in our blood now. I love rugby, so does my family, friends, and we all support Fiji. Fiji is our favorite team too. Always 7s, 15, and I like to wish the boys all the best this World Cup. I know, I have faith in the boys that they will do well. No matter what, we're still behind you boys. Toso, Mai, Moku.
Bulabinaka, my name is Cecil from the village of Naveen, village of South Kaunrabi. Material links to Kamparalo. Rugby means a lot to our family. It's part of our culture, part of our blood. It means rugby is a way of life of Fiji. Oh, my favorite player is Captain Semran. My message to the Flying Fijian: to stick to the game plan, do your best, and let God do the rest.
My name is Janice. I'm a store manager at Jack's PS Titsuba. Rugby means like we are in Fiji, so main culture is like rugby. We follow rugby a lot rather than compared to any other sport in Fiji. So rugby is in everyone's blood. Either you are from here or you are from anywhere else, we follow rugby. Yeah. So rugby is in the blood of every Fijians who are here, born in Fiji. My favorite player is Semiranandra. All the best for against Wales. Definitely they're going to beat Wales. It will be remarkable because they have beaten England just recently. So beating any European team is very easy for Fiji. It's not like before. So all the best to all the boys and give your best shot. You are playing for the country. You're not playing for any individual. Play as a team and make us proud.
My name is Sarusi Matanrao. I'm from the beautiful island of Vanuase in the province of Mazuata. And my village is Nakanarang, Racket. Rugby means everything to Fiji and we love it because we know when it comes to rugby, we feel proud. It is like a tournament that is well known in Fiji. And I'm proud to call that rugby is here in Fiji. We support rugby. Favorite player is my guy from Taveuni, Semiranandra. We are here for you, we are supporting you. My message to the team is we all know that we are here, Fiji people are here for you and we are all in hand supporting the team.
My name is Cecil. I'm the Excel Sports Manager here at Jack's PS Street. Rugby means a lot to me. Since I was a child, I was been watching rugby, following 7s and then 15s. My favorite rugby player in this year's Rugby World Cup will be Joshua Trisova. Buzz, and message to him is to give his all the best and wish him best of luck for the games. Go Fiji, go!
Go